Today I am giving a topic on the parts of flower. This is the topic for the students of class 6th and 7th. Let's first come to know what is flower. Flower is colorful part of the plant. It is responsible for making new seeds. Here I have a flower. This is hibiscus rosa or China rose. As we are looking, it has the different parts. Let's we know what are the name of the parts. The four main parts are, first of all, I will tell you that basically it is reproductive part of a plant. It has four main parts. The first part is stamen. Second part is pistil, or the another name for is carpel. Third part is petals, and the fourth one is sepals. Here you can see this flower. In this flower, these large leaves which are colorful, these are petals, and below this whole of petals there are small green leaves. These are called sepals. These are called sepals. It is very much clear here in this flower that small leaves are petals and large leaves, small leaves are sepals and large leaves are petals. At the center you can see the other parts. This is female part. This is called pistil, and the side parts which are here, these are the parts of male reproductive part. Now let's we come to know stamen, male reproductive part. It has two parts, anther and filament. Anther carry pollen grains which in turn carry male reproductive cells. Now the next part, that is pistil. Pistil is female reproductive part. It has mainly three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Ovary contains ovules which contains female reproductive cells. Now dear students, let's we try to make the diagram of flower. Very easily we can make the diagram of flower. First of all, we will make the female part of the flower like this. This is the lower part. And here we will make male part. That is filament and then anther. The large leaves are petals and the large leaves are petals and small are sepals. This is pedicel. Now like this. This is pedicel. These are sepals. These are petals. Anther, filament, male reproductive part. Stigma, style, ovary, these are female reproductive parts. So students, I think this is very much clear to you. So you will make the diagram very clearly and easily, and you will keep all the topics, all the main parts of the flower in your mind, and this will help to you learn about the flower. Thank you so much.